Firestick remote not working, not pairing, no response at all. It feels frustrating, but do not worry. You can fix it in a few simple steps. First, understand this. Firestick remotes use Bluetooth, not infrared, so pairing is required to control your device. Now follow each step carefully. Step 1. Basic remote pairing. Turn on your Firestick. Wait until the home screen appears. Now, press and hold the home button for 10 seconds. This puts the remote in pairing mode. If successful, you will see a message on screen. Step 2. Restart your Firestick. Sometimes pairing fails due to system glitches. Go to Settings, then go to My Fire TV, then go to Restart. Or unplug the Firestick. Wait 30 seconds, plug it back. After restart, try pairing again using the home button. Step 3. Check remote batteries. Weak batteries cause pairing failure. Remove the batteries. Insert new alkaline batteries. Make sure polarity is correct. Avoid mixing old and new batteries. Step 4. Pair remote using settings. If automatic pairing does not work, use manual pairing. Go to Settings, then go to Controllers and Bluetooth devices, then go to Amazon Fire TV remotes, then select Add New Remote. Now press and hold the home button for 10 seconds. Select your remote from the list. Step 5. Remove interference. Bluetooth can be affected by nearby devices. Keep your remote within 10 feet. Move away Wi-Fi routers or other devices. Avoid using too many Bluetooth devices at once. Step 6. Use Fire TV app as backup. If remote is not working at all, use the Fire TV mobile app. Download Amazon Fire TV app on your phone. Connect it to the same Wi-Fi network. Use it as a remote to access settings and pair your physical remote. Step 7. Reset Firestick remote. If nothing works, reset the remote. Unplug your Firestick. Wait 60 seconds. Now press and hold the left button, menu button, and back button together for 10 seconds. Release the buttons. Insert batteries again. Plug Firestick back in. Wait for startup. Now press and hold the home button for 10 seconds to pair. Step 8. Advanced fix. Check compatibility. Not all remotes work with all Firestick models. Make sure your remote matches your Firestick version. Old remotes may not pair with newer devices. If your remote still does not pair, write your problem in the comments. I will reply within 1 hour. Like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes. Follow these steps properly, and your Firestick remote will connect smoothly again.